How does it work if I borrow multiple millions of dollars against my XRP from my LLC and send it to myself? Is that still maintaining the corporate veil? You would lend it to yourself out of the company and it would be owed back, or you could pay yourself because it's pass-through taxation on the LLC. You're just not going to be able to write any of that off if you do it that way. So you could borrow the money. It's tax-free to borrow it because it's pass-through taxation. You also wouldn't owe anything on that. I would probably structure it as a debt note from yourself due back to the company. That way, when you do pay it back, there'll be interest payments back to the original note, right? So it's pass-through. Again, if you borrowed it, should be good, but you would ideally use a portion of it for business purposes and not just for personal stuff. If you are going to pay it to yourself, take it out in dividends. I mean, if you're the owner of the company, you could leverage the assets or the equity and borrow against it. Would be due back to the company though, if it was done the right way in order to maintain the corporate